JollyRX, accessible rare drugs and diagnostics. You all must be aware of the acute shortage of rare medicines India faced during the COVID-19 outbreak. It did not take long before most drugstores ran out of life-saving medicines like amphotericin, remdesivir, etc. Let's understand why there was a drug shortage. Due to insufficient stock, delay in medicinal supply, less understanding of what, when and where to stock. So, how can you cope? Switch to JollyRX, a B2B platform to buy and sell rare drugs hassle-free. World's first online marketplace that connects retailer directly with manufacturer for hard-to-find drugs and diagnostics. Compare market prices and fetch the best deal without any commission cut. What do you save? Time with on-time delivery. Money with cost transparency. And most importantly, people's lives with life-saving drugs. Gone are the days when you had to search far and wide for life-saving drugs. Calling and negotiating with multiple retailers or distributors to ensure availability. Now with our platform, pharmacists can get it straight from the manufacturer before time. Why choose JollyRX? Find rare medications. No hidden commission or fees. Quick and timely delivery all India. 30 days easy returns. Reliable and secure platform. Real-time data analytics. Trusted by 3,000 plus doctors. Saved 8,30,000 lives as yet. If you are a retailer or manufacturer, become a part of the JollyRX marketplace and unlock exclusive deals every day. Hard to find drugs are now just a click away. Visit our website now www.jollyrx.com.